Hello guys, I'm from bold7.com and I'm presenting you a new software today, that is the lead scraper software. Like this software, it basically allows you to scrape leads. As its name suggests, it allows you to scrape leads. So you can say extract email leads and phone numbers from different classified websites, from different marketing websites, from different business scrapers, from different business websites like Yellow Pages. Like you can basically enjoy the functions like Google Map Extractor, Yellow Page Scraper, Facebook Leads, Yahoo Auto Answer Bot, like this type of features in this software. Like basically it's a revolution in the market of digital advertisement. Like it's a very new innovative tool to reach every nook and corner of the market. Like for example, ranging from social websites to classified and a lot more. Email data and mobile data scrubbing both are available in it. Like basically now what to do, let me show you the options here. First of all, we click on classified posters. We have our first option, Craglist here. The Craglist.com, we are all familiar about the website Craglist.com. What basically you can do is you can search the people from Craglist.com on the basis of their categories and on the basis of their location. Select any category you want here, for example gigs or housing or jobs, or for example in jobs, business jobs, customer jobs, engineering jobs, education jobs. Like you can select any of them. You can select the location from here. Like you can select a particular country, you can select a particular location, you can click on start and you can have result of that here. Now what to do as soon as the results are here, now what you can do is like you can send them emails through this button. Right, now what to do, you can select the email template here. Now how to do that, click on settings, click on email settings, and when you go here you can basically define a SMTP email here. You can set the email, like for example you can set the email template here, and you can basically use this email template as a message that would be sent to all the IDs which are searched through Craigslist. Right, now the second option which we are going to see is the back page. Now what is the back page? Back page, it's a website and basically like similar to the Craigslist, you can select the categories here, you can select the similar locations here, you can generate a result, and the same result, it can be emailed and exported, or it can be only exported. Like it basically depends upon your own your choice and own thing, like what to do, right? So basically now what's the next option I'm going to show you, it's of eBay. Like what to do, you can log in here by your own email ID, by your own eBay account. For example, I'm doing that. Now I'm in here. Now what you can do is you can search and respond from here. Just select the location here, just select the like country, and just select the category, and you can have every result here. And then you can there are some options available. You can directly respond to them. You can click on this button, start responding, and you can directly respond to those advertisements or those advertisers. Now the second tab which we are going to view is Twitter marketing. It's all the marketing related to Twitter. So what we are going to do is the first tab, Twitter. Like what you have to do is you have to add a user here. For example, Barry Smith 51. I have added user here. When I click on login, now it's logging in the current user Barry Smith 51. You can see here, you can see the status here that it's a login in, you have successfully logged in. Now you can search and follow. You can search people on Twitter through this option. You can search them. You can search the location also. You can now these are the options available on Twitter. Like you can tweet them. You can directly put them a message that's called a direct message. You can directly tweet them, or you can directly follow them. Right? These are the options available. As soon as you click on a particular option and the results are here, you can click on start, and it will start following, or it will start tweeting the particular options from the account which has been logged in here. For example, now if I respond to some people, I follow some people, then they would be followed by the account that is _Smith 51. That is the account they will be followed from. So similarly, you can log in from your own account and you can respond to people through here. Right? Now this is the option to unfollow. If you want to unfollow people from your ID, or you want to unfollow the other people, then what you can do is you can start unfollowing them. You can start unfollowing them one by one, and you can decide how much to unfollow. Now that's all about Twitter marketing. Now what is that? It's Twitter Trends. Like Twitter username, you have to enter again the username here in the password. Basically, it will get you the information about your Twitter account. It will give you the minimum time, the maximum time, tweet quantity, load tweets, everything. It's logging in automatically. But basically, you can see the whole Twitter, it's opened here, and you can get the tweet quantity and the minute time and every detail for it. Like you can use Twitter on this website and you can get the data about that then. This is the whole way to work on Twitter marketing. Now let's move on auto campaigns. On auto campaigns, we have Craigslist campaign and we have Twitter campaign. Like in Twitter campaign, all the campaigns, like you start here, you start here. Every campaign you start here, they are going to be displayed in the auto campaign option. Now, what to do for the next tab? It's Google Plus. First option is lead slip. For example, here you have to enter a normal Gmail ID, your Google account basically. Here you can see the status. Now you are logged into Google Plus here. You can enter keywords here. You can enter any name here, and you can search that. You can search that on the whole Google Plus. This is the way to work on Google Plus. You can generate the leads from the Google Plus. Basically, what is the other option? It's a social lead detector. Now, as soon as I click on allow, that social lead detector, it's gonna log in the current account. Now you can start select a keyword. You can start searching. You can search people over the Google Plus, and you can export the search results. Right. Now, what is the third is GeoCampus leads. Like for example, it's the GeoCompass leads. What is that? Like for example, if you want to enter a keyword, you're gonna enter a keyword. You wanna click on search, and you will get the name of the people with the here. Like the next option we are moving to, it's the social scraper. Like I have stopped the current function. Is the social scraper. Like for example, if you want FB lead serve, now click on go to Facebook. Now I have logged in from my Facebook account. Like here's my Facebook account. You can basically now you can see here. You can click on start scraping, and you can just have the data here. You can click on start scraping. You can see now you can see it's like auto moving, and it's gonna scrape everything. It's gonna scrape all the friend requests and all the UIDs, all the Facebook status, all the emails, everything is gonna come here and it's gonna be scraped. Right. Now what you can do is the FB lead server. You can find pages, events or groups by the name of a particular keyword, and you can click on search, and all of the results they will be displayed here, and then they can be used to send them mails, or you can directly contact them, or in either way. Right. Now what is the second option? It's social email hacking. For example, like you can hack all the email websites or all the domains. Like you can select a domain here, you can select the email here, you can enter the name of the person here, and you can click on search. It will get you all the persons by that particular name on this particular on this particular email on this particular domain. Now you can clear the saved results, or you can export them to a CSV file, and you can use them then. Like this is basically a scraper for Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, LinkedIn, Google Plus, and MSN, Hotmail, Yahoo, anything you want. But what is the third option? It is the linked lead. Like it is basically the lead scraper for linked account. Like we have not logged in from an account, so it's now for example, I'm like basically logging in from an account, and as soon as the account is logged in, you can have all the information about like all the Twitter. It would be opened here, and you can work through it. Now, as soon as you enter the LinkedIn, like you can see here, like you can just assess all the options. As soon as you log in, you can assess all the options here. For example, you can send messages to the member, you can search group category, you can join a group, you can send invitations to group members, like everything related, everything present on LinkedIn, it can be done through it, like a connection detail export, share with group, anything you want to do on LinkedIn, it can be done through it. Now basically, what is the third option? Like it's email. Like when we click on email, like there is a email gunner. You can basically use this software as a SMTP email sender. You can like configure a SMTP here in the settings, and you can directly send emails. So this is an email gunner. These are the email logs, like the total email sent, like whenever they sent and everything. Like for example, here sales@redditglobal.com, failure, like everything, every report is gonna be displayed here of the gunner. Right. Now next option, it's for yellow pages. As soon as you enter yellow pages, you can find categories here, you can search people here, like you can select the categories, you can select locations, you can start searching, you can have a result here, and you can then export them to the CSV, right? And then you can use them for various purposes. Now the hotline finder, it is the Manta search, like there is a website manta.com. You can just go on that, you can select a keyword, you can select a city or a state, and you can get all of that here. And this is a home advisor, this is a this is basically a website, home advisor. So you can go on the home advisor, and you can have anything related to that over here. Like you can basically scrape all these websites I'm talking about. Like business leads database, it is the US business listing, like all the websites related to US business listing, they are all they are all integrated here. You can just enter the keyword, the city and the state, and you would be like getting the results. Now it is a custom lead search. For example, you want to search any lead or any email from any domain, you just want to use them for normal use, then what you can do is you can do that through this option to custom lead search. Now what is the other option? There is like basically it's Yahoo Answers. You can export, you can load, you can add answers, you can do everything on Yahoo Answers. You can, for example, here you can search answers, you can real time, like you can enter real time questions and real time answers, you can reply on them, you can basically post many of the contents there, like you can do anything. Now, then it's local SEO intel. It allows you, like basically it tells you the information about the current website. The current website, if you, for example, if you want to know the if you want to the people who are there on the Google SEO and who use Google SEO, if you want to have information about them, then you can have that through this tab. Now the other option is article scraper in the tools. Article scraper, basically it's a tool, it's a scraper. You can scrape articles through it. Like it's all about the lead scraper software. Like it's so very easy and very easy to use software, and it's basically what it does is it just scraps all the leads. It scraps all the leads from the basic websites, which are Craigslist, Backpage, eBay, then Twitter, then Social Lead Detective, GeoCompass leads, then you can have Facebook, then Social Email Hoster, LinkedIn Lead, Facebook, Yahoo, YouTube, Pinterest, Blog Commenter, Google Community, Yellow Pages. Like there are a lot more. There are a lot more options. For example, you can search corporate leads. You can go for Yahoo Answers. Like there are numerous options available with this software. Like this software is basically it's gonna generate leads for you from every website you want. So it's a complete package for the lead generation thing and for the email generation, for contact generation thing. So it's all about this software, and it's very good to work. Once you use it, you will be sure that it's a complete email provider, it's a complete email scraper, and basically it gives you a very high quality of the database. Basically it gives you a database which is actual in the real time. It is the way to work with that.